My name is Jidalla. I'm working for Electrotechnique, part of the distributed sensor research line. I'm the project leader of medical ventilator project, which is financed by the Center of Expertise. Welcome everybody. So in this presentation, you will get an idea about what we are doing here in Fontes in the project called Medical Ventilator of Future. And actually, what we would like to see in the future that we will have a low-cost medical ventilator that can be used easily by medical professionals and also can be what they call it supporting patients in an easy way. And we believe that it should be also open source. So let me go further. If you look carefully about what had happened in the couple of months, we had this COVID-19 problem, and accordingly, a lot of people need to go to the hospital, and medical care need to do quite a lot of support for patients, and accordingly, there were shortages of medical ventilators. And also at the same time, it was recognized that medical ventilators, they are difficult to operate. They need highly qualified professionals in order to operate them. And also at the same time, the price of these kind of things was expensive, and especially for third world countries, and after that is an issue. So this motivated us in order to initiate this project, in order to come up with a low-cost medical ventilator that is suitable for third world countries. Medical ventilator is a device that can help what we call it guys in intensive cares, but at the same time can help also newborn babies, and also can help guys at home whenever they have problems with breathing. If you look at what we did here in Fontes, this project started last year in September, and we started by looking at how we can develop a medical ventilator for portable devices. And accordingly, 2 projects were initiated here with our students in order to investigate this possibility. And later on, I will explain what they have delivered. Then after that, we took the results and we went further by graduation project in order to improve what the students delivered in their S7 semester. And then after that, a graduation guy called Nick, he developed some kind of development platform that can help us in order to achieve our goals. Later, we are going to explain this one. Now we are taking that kind of platform in this semester with a group of students in order to extend the work of the previous guys and also to try to find answers to the sage questions that we have identified at the beginning. This project will continue until the end of this year, until the end of this semester, and then after that, later on, we are planning to investigate more how to apply artificial intelligence in order to improve the ease of use, and the ease of use for the patient, and also the ease of use for the medical professionals. So this is the future plan for us, and here we would like to have some support from what we call it, other partners. So if you look carefully about what we did last year, so let us zoom in order to get an idea about what had happened. I will show you here a little animation that will give you an idea about what the guys have in mind whenever they started this project. It's about a portable respirator project. So if you have a problem, then after that, somebody will come and help you with a portable respirator. And then after that, you will be monitored. The data will be sent to the hospital in order to be used whenever you arrive there. So what they developed this platform, this hardware platform. It looks like what they call simple thing. Yeah, that's right. But at the same time, this platform is linked with a software in order to be able to change the software based on model-based design. So meaning you can simulate whatever you would like to think about controlling algorithm to help the patient, and then after that you verify that it works in the computer. And once you are sure that it works, you go and you download them on the target, because this is model-based enabled system. So they succeeded to make this simple system, which is cloud-based, where the data will be pushed in the cloud and you can monitor it via a dashboard. And at the same time, also, you can make simple open loop control based on this one. If you look at this platform, it do have here a blower from Demcon, our partner in this project. They support us from last year. And it do have here a balloon simulating the lungs of a patient. And you have here a system on chip that is used in order to be interfaced with MathWorks software in order to what they call it, implement the algorithms. If you move a little bit, then after that you see some kind of control that you can use with the respirator. Sorry, there is somebody at the door, so I have to do something because he insisted that he would like to come. So from this, you can see they have developed some kind of models that they can interface with the development platform, and accordingly they can assemble what they call it, do some experimentation regarding respirator system. They experimented with some simple things, but however, they didn't succeed last year in order to develop the full system and in order to be able to do some tests with it. So they developed some kind of models, and these models they simulated in MATLAB, but they didn't test it on the target. And this led to the second step of the graduation project to take that work and to develop it further. So with the goal of developing this project further during the graduation project technique, we started that kind of project, but unfortunately at the last moment, Corona, what they called crisis started, and accordingly he couldn't work on the project, and accordingly we changed the focus from a medical ventilator to a generic platform that can be used for medical ventilator. And he succeeded to make what they call it, that kind of platform.